Jai Hind students, I hope everyone is doing well. Today, I'm your computer teacher, Miss Kanupriya Arora, going to teach you another new topic, that is how to create PDF and how to upload that PDF in your Google e-test. So my dear students, I know you must be facing problem in how to create a PDF out of images and how to upload it. So this video is going to very beneficial for all of you. Okay, so my dear students, let's start with our today's topic, that is how to create PDF. So first, for creating PDF you need to go to Play Store. In Play Store you have to just type Adobe in it, Adobe, and just search in it. When you will search after writing Adobe, this Adobe Scan, the third app which is displaying in the sky blue color, this will be there. You need to install it. In my smartphone it is already installed, so I need to open it, but you have to first install it. You need to first download it. Okay, so I will just be clicking on it to open, and this app is going to be open. See, actually this is the home screen now which I have opened. This is the home screen, and you need to go to the camera option which is given in the bottom of the screen, right side bottom. When you will be clicking on this camera option, see, it is ready to take your image of your answer sheet. Whatever you have written, it is ready to take your image. And if you have taken the wrong image or it's not clear, so you can take it retake by clicking on the retake option. See, again your image is ready, and you can click on continue option. Then again it is ready to take the image. Just capture, hold. You have to just hold it steady. Means you don't have to shake it, don't have to move it, and it is going to take your image. And then you have to click on continue. For example, if I would like to take the image of this, just I need to keep my camera over it, and it is going to take the image. And for example, if you need to adjust the border, for example, if I need to adjust the border, so you can adjust the border also of your image, and then again continue. Then again image. Then again it will create the border, then again continue. So my dear students, like this you have to take the image. Like this way you have to take the image, and just adjust the border if you want, and just continue. And if you need to see it, just click on the images जो lower side में, bottom side में दिया हुआ है. Just click on it and you can view your images whichever you have taken just now. So 5 images we have taken. Okay, my dear students, we have taken 5 images. Now to convert these images into PDF, you can see on the top, save PDF option is there present. Sky blue color, save PDF. You just need to click on it. And when I will click on it, it is saving your PDF. Means it is converting your images into PDF. So this is how we have converted your images into PDF. Now my dear students, this PDF is present on the cloud. Cloud is the kind of server where your each and every record you are maintaining. So you need to download this PDF into your device, into your phone. Okay, my dear students. So what you need to do is, you need to, this is your PDF, which I just need to see if it is created proper or not. So I will be going back option, and this is your PDF. My dear students, you just need to download your PDF in your device. So to download your PDF, you just need to first go to the back option and then more option. The PDF which you want to download, just create this 3 dots, more option. Then copy to device, first option, it is coming. You need to click on it, and it is asking you, do you want to save in download? So you will be clicking yes, save option. So it has been copied to your device also. Now my dear students, you might be thinking why we have copied into our device. We have copied into our device because you are going to upload this document, this PDF document, in your Google e-exam, online exam. So you should have that PDF in your phone, in your device. So my dear students, now I will show you how to upload this PDF into your Google exam, in your exam, online exam. Okay, so this is one dummy exam, dummy paper, sample paper, which I have created only to show you how we can create it. So just first you will be typing your name. For example, I am typing my name, father's name, you will be typing your father's name, and then admission number. Let's take, I am taking random numbers. You have to enter your admission number. Okay, my dear students. Class and section, whichever class you are in, like 5th A, 5th B, your teacher must be specified your class, particular class. Okay, my dear students. Now here is the option how to upload your answer sheet. So to upload your answer sheet, add file option is given. Add file. So you need to just click on it, add file. Then it is asking you select files from your device. You will click on it, and this drop down option box has opened in which particular folders are there. So I will be clicking on download. Why download? Because we have download our Adobe PDF which we have created into our download section. So just click on it. This, the first one is the PDF. See, it has taken, but you need to click on upload. You will upload also. You have just selected your PDF. Now you have to upload it. When you will be clicking on upload, see, it's getting uploading. It's getting uploading, and it is going to be uploaded very soon. Now it is uploaded. See, you can see the name of your document over there under the heading upload your answer sheet. So your document PDF has been uploaded, but now you need to submit your exam. This answer sheet, you have to submit it. So just press on submit option. After pressing submit option, now it is taking your response. It is taking your answer sheet. So your response has been recorded. So like this, students, you need to give your exam, online exam. I hope it is clear to everyone how to give your online exam by uploading the PDF, converting the image into PDF, and for doing each and everything step by step. Okay, my dear students, thank you for listening me and learning with from me. So thank you and keep loving like this to me. Thank you everyone.